This is sliding jaw. So we will start with this front plane, 48 millimeter width and height for 58, and this all things same as what we did in fixed jaw. Just look one more thing. From here tapered angle 150, 40 millimeter from top, then 15 millimeter this jaw length, and 28 millimeter from this end, 120 degree. Corner fillet here 210 and 1 5 millimeter. Then 1 millimeter step here in jaw, 3 millimeter upper side. So let's make this one and is extrude up to 15 millimeter. Here saw in side view. Front plane is sketch. Let's try corner rectangle. 58 tap 48. Now click the center point of this origin point, coincide. It is fully defined. See, and connect with this. Let's define 150 degree, the same here 120 degree. Okay. Now this distance 28 millimeter and distance from this point to top 40 millimeter. 2 millimeter. Okay, let's take it out. Okay, no, it should be inside. Make relation these two lines collinear. Let's take this out. This one side 1 millimeter, and now this one from here to here 15 millimeter. Okay, fine. Let's apply fillet 10 millimeter. I'll choose these two corner. Yes, smart dimension. This one 3 millimeter. Okay. Trim entity. Click power trim. Drag your left mouse and it's trimmed. That's so simple. 5 millimeter, and let me choose this. Okay. This length by default 46. See, drawing is fully defined. Extrude. This extrude up to 50 millimeter. See, it's moving in one direction, so in direction go to end condition mid plane. Okay. Now let's cut this face. Now here the same thing what we did, 40 millimeter from above edge, 25 angle, 7 corner radius. This radius is 7 millimeter. This fillet both side 10 millimeter. Then here 3 holes at 23 millimeter below above from this surface. 2 hole 5 millimeter, and the inside hole is 16 millimeter. It is forget to mention here, and this distance 30 millimeter. So let's try this one. Sketch. (16 millimeter), 5 millimeter, 5 millimeter. Okay, first make all holes in one plane, one line. That's it. Choose these two. Okay. (23 mm). This distance 30 mm. Make sure, okay, let's define any one distance so that 15. It's fully defined sketch. Now here we will define those edges. Let's click this view. Line from here to this point. Distance 40 mm. Angle 25. Sketch fillet 7 mm. Let's choose this. Now it's time to mirror. So first let's create a vertical line. Now click all geometry with construction line, click mirror entity. See, it's mirror. See. Now this one we will cut throughout. Extrude cut. In selected contour, choose this one. Click here through all. Okay. Choose same sketch, extrude cut. This time I'll in selected contour choose this one. This depth only 10 mm. Okay. Again same extruded cut. In selected contour choose these two holes, and here the depth 5 mm. Keep end condition 5 mm. Now let's make these two holes here. Two hole 3 mm dia, 5 mm depth, 36 mm and 6 mm from upper edge. Okay. Then there is one pipe 90 mm long, 34 inner diameter, and distance from bottom edge 21, and we need to extrude. Now first I'll make hole here. (3 mm). Midline. I'll draw one midline. Now simply do one thing. Click both line and circle. Click mirror entity. See, it's mirror. Let's define. Center distance 36 mm. (6 mm). Okay. Extruded cut, and depth is 5 mm. Keep end condition blind. Okay. It should be 60 mm, but we by mistake did 50 mm. So we will extrude 5 mm here, 5 mm there. So do one thing. Let's click this one. Sketch. Convert entity. See, this all converted. Extrude. Only 5 mm. See, we will use same sketch, extrude 5 mm. Here I will select face. From where we are going to start, choose this face. but see it is moving inside, so simply click reverse. Look, make sure it is merged, otherwise it becomes two body. See, now it's extruded, it's become 60 millimeter. This is one of the way you can do it. Select this face, sketch. Now here we need to make two holes, two circles, 34 millimeter, 30 millimeter. 20 millimeter. Now make sure a constraint. Hold shift key, select these 2 points vertical. Extrude, and the length is 90 millimeter. Click, keep end condition blind. Now click inside, sketch, convert entity. Now here hole, and this hole up to this one we already saw in drawing. Extrude cut up to next, or let's say up to surface. Let's choose this surface. Okay, see, bottom, there is also one hole at center, 30 diameter. Extruded cut, and up to how long we need to click here, choose only up to next, so that it will cut up to only inside edges. See, now let's documents property, image quality, keep higher, so that we won't get any distort edges. Refresh, that's it. See, if I'll check section view, okay, now see, now this finished. So let's apply first cast steel. Now choose this one, control this one, steel, this hole, these two hole, polished steel. Now comes to this face, select the whole feature, polished steel, so that it looks better. For we forget to add fillet, 10 millimeter constant size fillet, this side and this side. That's it. Now let's save this part. Sliding jaw. According to fixed jaw, we need to do some little modification here. Edit sketch. Reduce 1 milli 45 and check, it should be 57. That's fine. Exit and edit sketch, make this one 45. Now save this. So let's make the, and here also we need to do little modification. This one increased 2 millimeter. Refresh and save this one.